Hello dear students, welcome to basic mathematics class. The previous class we were discussing about the Cartesian product. As I already explained, a Cartesian product of any two sets is a set of all ordered pairs such that the first member of the order pair is belongs to the set A and the second member is belongs to the set B. Okay, for example, if we want to find out the A cross B Cartesian product of the set A and B want to calculate, then it is contain the value x comma y such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. So here, so this is the AND operator, and this example I explained, and let me continue the next problem. Consider a set A equal to alpha and beta, B equal to 1 to 3. Now we need to find out A cross B cross A cross A, B cross B, and we need to calculate A cross B intersection B cross A. Okay, first let us find out A cross B. So A cross B, alpha 1, here it is, alpha 2, alpha 3. Next beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Okay, this is A cross B. Similarly B cross A, 1 alpha, 2 alpha, 3 alpha, 1 beta, 2 beta, 3 beta. Okay, so that is the value. Now if you A cross A, that is alpha beta, alpha alpha, alpha beta. Okay, then beta alpha and beta beta, A cross A. A cross A ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ alpha alpha then alpha beta. Beta next B cross B, that is also same variable, same set. So this is also A cross A also indicated as a square, and B cross B also indicated as the B square. Next A cross B that we calculated here, and B cross A, can you find any common element here? Intersection calculate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ common element ಉಂಟಾ? So there is no common element, so that the intersection is value is null. Next, if A is equal to null set and B equal to 1 to 3, now what are the values of A cross B and B cross A? So here A cross B equal to null and B cross A equal to null. And A cross A, that is also written as a square, and A cross A written as a cube. Then A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C, and A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. Similarly, A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Next problem, give an example of set such that A cross B equal A union B equal to A union C but B not equal to C. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ A union B equal to A union C ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ B not equal to C ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay. Here I will take one A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ, B equal to 6 7 8. A union B ಏನಾಯಿತು 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ಆಯಿತು. A union C ಏನಾಯಿತು 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ಬಟ್ B and C not equal. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next I need to find the cross product here. A set ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ A B ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 ಇದೆ, ಇದರದ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ A, 1, A, 2, A, 3. Similarly B, 1, B, 2, B, 3. Next this is one of the same example. Write A cross B cross C, B square, A cube. Then you need to calculate B square into A into B. These are the calculation you need to perform based on the set where a equal to 1 and set b equal to a comma b and set c equal to 2 comma 3. So a cross b cross c calculate ಮಾಡುವ. A cross b cross c. First we'll calculate a cross b, 1 comma a 1 comma b. Okay, next we'll calculate a cross ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ a cross b ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 comma a 1 comma b, c ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 3. So 1 comma a comma 2 1 comma a comma 3, then 1 comma so then 1 comma b comma 2 1 comma b comma 3. So these are the values. Okay, these are the four values of that product a cross b cross c. Next b square means b cross b calculate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ Cartesian product of the same set. So ab so aa ab ba bb. a cube calculate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ so 1 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 1. Next b square calculate already aa ab ba bb. Then value of a na value ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, then next aa1 ab1 ba1 bb1. See here aa1 ab1 ba1 bb1. Next problem, show by means of an example such that a cross b not equal to b cross a. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ and a cross b cross c not equal to a cross b cross c. Okay, we'll take one example. A ಮತ್ತೆ b ಅಂತ ತಕೊಳ್ಳುವ a b c d and we'll take set e c equal to e. Find out a cross b. A cross b ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ Cartesian product of the set a and b. Cartesian product of set a and set b. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a cross b ac and ad, bc and bd. Find out b cross a. b cross a ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ca cb da and db. So that now compare these two values. Here ac is there, ca is there. So earlier only we discussed in the order pair already discussed ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. When you can say that the two order pairs are equal, that is if x comma y equal to order pair u comma v, if and only if x equal to y and x equal to u and y equal to v. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಮತ್ತೆ c equal ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ we can say that a cross b is not equal to b cross a. Okay, now find out a cross b. Second problem, a cross b cross c. So a cross b already calculated. Cartesian product e add ಮಾಡಿ ace ade bce then bde. Okay, now find out a cross b cross c. Find out b cross c now. First find out the b cross c. cd, set b equal to cd, set c equal to e, cd ce and de. Two elements are there. Now a cross b cross c. Set a equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ a comma b. The value of the set a is ab and b cross c we already calculated. So this is the value of b cross c. So here it is b cross c. Okay, now this is the value a ce a comma ce a comma de b comma ce and b comma de. So these are the Cartesian product. Okay, next problem, here a cross b intersection c is equal to a cross b intersection a cross c. So here we can prove it in two ways. One is take some variable that belongs to a and b. Okay, here let order pair x comma y belongs to LHS. Here LHS is A cross B intersection C. On the ordered pair LHS alli untanta consider maduva, and we will prove that the same element or same ordered pair that belongs to right hand side. Okay, so here let ordered pair x comma y that belongs to A cross B intersection C. So illi enaguತ್ತದೆ, so x belongs to A according to ordered pair property. First element belongs to the first set, second element that belongs to second set, so that x belongs to A and y belongs to B intersection C. Okay, now again here, since here intersection is there, so that this y that must belongs to the both the set B and C. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ y ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, y ಇರಬೇಕು, so that y belongs to B and y belongs to C. Okay, so this one we elaborated here. Y belongs to B intersection C, that can be written as y belongs to B and y belongs to C. Okay, now we combine x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Distributive property apply ಮಾಡಿ, x belongs to A and y belongs to B, x belongs to A and y belongs to C, x belongs to A and y belongs to B, this and now x belongs to A and y belongs to C. Okay, now we can apply the order pair rule. So x belongs to A and y belongs to B, so that we can write ordered pair x comma y belongs to A cross B, because x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and here ordered pair x comma y belongs to A cross C. So x comma y ordered pair A cross B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಉಂಟು, A cross C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಉಂಟು. That means it is a common element, so that x comma y belongs to A cross B and A cross C. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. So that x comma y belongs to A cross B and A cross C. Sorry, and ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು intersection. Okay, that's what we proved. A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So what we did, we consider one ordered pair that belongs to LHS, and we prove it in such a way that belongs to RHS. So that is a one type of proof, and we can do the another method, alternate method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. We'll consider set A B C ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವ. B intersection C, ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಮತ್ತೆ C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 4 ಉಂಟು. A cross B intersection C 1, 4, 2, 4. Okay, now A cross B ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Similarly AC 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5. Now what are the element common here? A cross B intersection A cross C. Element ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? 2, 4 is common. Next here 1, 4 is common. 1, 4 and 2, 4. See here, consider 1 and 2. So 1, 4 and 2, 4. So that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, we will prove problems in different ways. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. In the second method what we did here we consider the 3 sets A B C ಅಂತ 3 ಸೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, now next problem is the is a problem of general. It is not related to ordered pair. A union B, prove that A intersection B union A intersection not B equal to A. Okay, consider first one. So same type, we'll consider the element that belongs to LHS, and we prove that same element belongs to RHS. Okay, X belongs to A intersection B union A intersection not B. Okay, ಏನಾಯ್ತಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ X belongs to A intersection B or X belongs to A intersection not B. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ X ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇರಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, now X belongs to A intersection B. What is the meaning of that? X belongs to A and X belongs to B because it is the intersection rule. Intersection rule ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ X A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇರಬೇಕು, B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, next here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ intersection rule ಇರುವುದು, X belongs to A and X belongs to not B. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ X belongs to A, X belongs to B, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. X belongs to A ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾಮನ್ and X belongs to B. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, X belongs to A and X belongs to B ಆಯಿತು, ಆರ್ X belongs to A and X belongs to not B. Okay, now this one, X belongs to B or X belongs to not B. X ಏನುಂಟು, B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಥವಾ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ X belongs to ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. We consider X belongs to universal set because of that statement X belongs to B or X belongs to not B ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So that we'll consider X belongs to universal set. Now X belongs to A and X belongs to E. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, X belongs to A intersection E. Is it correct? X A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇದೆ, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಉಂಟಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Now A intersection E is equal to A. The intersection rule of any set with the universal set is equal to same set only. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ X belongs to A. So this is what we proved. Consider element that belongs to LHS and we proved such that the same element that belongs to the RHS. Now the similar type of problem that we can prove here, A intersection not A union B equal to A intersection B. We'll consider X belongs to this particular set. X belongs to A intersection not A union B. So that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. X A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಉಂಟು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ X belongs to A and X belongs to not A union B. X belongs to A and ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಆರ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಐದರ್ X belongs to not A or B. So that X belongs to not A or X belongs to B. Okay, now apply distributive rule. X belongs to A and X belongs to not A or X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So X belongs to A and X belongs to not B. null ಆಗ್ತದೆ. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So here X belongs to A intersection B. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ X A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇದೆ, X B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಉಂಟು. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So that X belongs to A intersection B. So here X belongs to A intersection B. So that is equal to the RHS A intersection B. So this is about the set theory. Okay, students. In the set theory, we studied about the different set, and this is the different ways of representing the set, tabular form ಮತ್ತೆ set builder form ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ different method. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. If all the element of one set belongs to the another set, then we can say that that set is the subset of another set. Next, we explain a proper subset. A is the subset of B, but A and B not equal, then we call proper subset. Next, universal set, empty set, power set. Next problem, next intersection rule, disjoint, then union rule, then relative complement A minus B, absolute complement not A, and the other inverse calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು complement of the set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Next, symmetric difference A plus B calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದರದ್ದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, A plus B equal to A minus B union B minus A. Then these are the different problem related to the sets. After that we discussed in the previous class Venn diagram. Next, ordered pair and discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Ordered pair ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ Cartesian product. So this is the Cartesian product and various problems related to that. So student, go through the videos and update your notebook, and if you have any doubt related to the set theory, you can ask the doubt and I will try to solve the doubt. Okay, and I will continue in the next class.